Hey everybody, we are starting Henry V. I actually forgot to read the prologue with Act 1, so I'm just going to do a very short video here and I'm going to read the prologue. Henry V has a chorus, a narrator of sorts that comes on at the beginning and throughout the play and narrates to us the action. And before the play ever begins, the chorus comes out and gives us a speech. So let's take a look at that. The chorus says, "Oh, for a muse of fire that would ascend the brightest heaven of invention, a kingdom for a stage, princes to act, and monarchs to behold the swelling scene. Oh, I wish I had a muse that like fire would ascend to the heavens. I wish our stage could be a kingdom and our actors could be princes. Then should the warlike Harry, like himself, assume the port of Mars, and at his heels, leashed in like hounds, should famine, sword, and fire crouch for employment." Oh, if we had an amazing set like that our stage were a whole kingdom and princes were our actors, then you'd really see what this king looks like. But pardon, gentles all, the flat, unraised spirits that hath dared on this unworthy scaffold to bring forth so great an object. Forgive us. This theater, wooden, round, it's going to mention that in a minute. The Shakespeare's theater was round, like an amphitheater today. And he says, forgive us for daring on this unworthy scaffold to bring forth so great a king. Can this cockpit hold the vasty fields of France? Or may we cram within this wooden O the very casques that did affright the air at Agincourt? Can we fit France in this theater? No. Can we fit soldiers in this theater? No. Oh, pardon. Since a crooked figure may attest in little place a million, and let us, ciphers to this great account, on your imaginary forces work. You know, sometimes to represent a million, we might just put a little symbol. Well, we are the symbol for the great events I am about to show you on this stage. And we're going to have to work on your imagination. Suppose within the girdle of these walls are now confined two mighty monarchies, whose high, upreared and abutting fronts the perilous narrow ocean parts asunder. Pretend England and France are here in this theater. Piece out our imperfections with your thoughts. Into 1,000 parts divide one man, and make imaginary puissance. You're going to have to fill in the powers that I'm talking about with your imagination. Think, when we talk of horses, that you see them, printing their proud hoofs in the receiving earth. For 'tis your thoughts that now must deck our kings, carry them here and there, jumping o'er times, turning the accomplishment of many years into an hourglass. I'm going to talk about things that happened over a long period of time, but we're going to condense them for you. We're going to, the accomplishment of many years is going to be like an hourglass. For the which supply, admit me, chorus to this history, who, prologue-like, your humble patience pray, gently to hear, kindly to judge our play. Now, you can move on to Act 1.